Hey everyone! Today, we're going to explore something really cool. Treemap charts. This chart looks like a big box made up of smaller boxes. Each box shows a part of our data, and its size tells us how important or big that part is. What is a treemap? A treemap chart is a type of chart that uses rectangles to show data. Each big category becomes a big box. Inside it, smaller boxes represent subcategories. The more important or bigger the data, the bigger the box. Features and advantages. Tree maps help us compare lots of information at once. Colors make it easy to spot differences. Mouse hover shows extra details too. It's perfect for seeing the big picture and finding out what stands out. And guess what? It fits a lot of data on one screen. But nothing is perfect, right? If we add too many tiny boxes, the chart can get messy or hard to read. Also, it's hard to tell small size differences, because we're comparing areas, not lines. And one more thing, it doesn't show order or flow very well. How to use tool. First, go to Flourish and create a new project. And you can search for Treemap and click it. Then you can see the sample data for starting. Second, go to the Data tab and make your own data. Today, we prepared data about the amount of internet use separated by country. Third, you can make the columns. You can see the categories/nesting column. You can make categories to separate data. But be careful when you put ABC into it. The order of them is really important. The label comes first, becomes the first category, and the one coming next becomes behind it. And also to decide the size of squares, you can use this column. Numbers coming here let us see how much of them use the internet. For the filter column, literally you can choose the filter. By this column, you can get the filter on the left top of visualization info. So, if you don't need one, you can just get rid of it. Then let's check the column. For categories, I can get the continent first and then the location next. So the label is A, C. For size, we can get B. And last, I will put A for the filter. This is the final result. If I put C into the filter, it becomes like this. You guys get it? Then let's go to the next step, practice. For practice, if we put our data into this tool, Tada, we can get this visualization. Then we can adjust columns and get our visualization. If you click the edge, you can see the detail of data. Here is our QR code. You can get in there and have fun with data. Real-life examples. Let's look at some cool ways we can use treemap charts. What if we want to compare the population of different countries? A treemap can help. When visualizing the population distribution of U.S. cities using a treemap, it was found that California had the largest population, followed by Texas and New York. Let's say your school has money to spend for the year, some for books, some for sports, and some for field trips. A treemap chart shows which parts use more money. You can quickly see where the biggest costs are. Companies can use treemaps to compare how much money each product makes. Treemaps can be effectively used to visualize data such as population size, revenue comparison, national and corporate budget analysis, and stock market performance. So, treemap charts are a great way to explore big data in a fun and easy way. They help us see what's big, what's small, and what really matters. Why not try making one yourself?